Hey, today we're going to take a look at the Ryobi PCL265 18-volt 1 plus 1/2 inch impact wrench. This bad boy has up to 375 foot-pounds of fastening torque. Always make sure that you only use sockets that are designed for impact wrenches. Do not use this particular wrench to install lug nuts on wheels unless you have installed a torque limiting device. And also, it's recommended that you only use high performance batteries. So I've got 3 here that I'm going to try. Got a 1.5 amp hour battery, 4 amp hour battery, and just so you can see the difference, I got a 9 amp hour battery. So we install the 1.5. You can hear you're not going to get as much torque, so if you've got a large job, remember to use a 4 amp hour battery or larger. Here's the difference in sound. And now we'll put in a 9 amp hour battery. Switch itself, how much you press power is how much speed you're going to get. You get your forward and reverse button right there. So we're going to install the 4 amp hour battery, put on our socket, get that all lined up. Make sure you read the manual before you do anything else. Follow all the safety and warnings. I'm just going to go ahead and we're going to drive in a reverse it to pull it out. You can see by the pressure how much torque you're going to get. So be careful. Don't over tighten, because you have a possibility with this, with the power that this puppy has, of snapping the bolts or the nut that you're driving in. Always remember, dream, think, design, build, and learn. I'll see you in the shop.